Farmers in Bharatpur are still trying to salvage whatever is left of their crop of wheat and mustard following unseasonal hailstorm. But with the loss much bigger than the compensation provided by the government and no one to buy their crop, they are being pushed to the brink. NDTV's Bhairavi Singh sent us this ground report from Bharatpur, where 80% of the families depend on agriculture for survival.
Titu Jat, just 35 years old, leaves behind a family of 10 and a debt of over 3 lakh rupees. He hung himself from this fan after his crop of wheat was nearly reduced to nothing by the recent hailstorm in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. This is a village in grief, not just for Titu but for all of them, as 80% of the crop failed.
तो यही नौबत आती रही और हम लोगों की सरकार ने नहीं सुनवाई किया, मतलब कोई मुआवजा या केसीसी कार्ड माफ नहीं किया, कोऑपरेटिव माफ नहीं किया, तो हम लोग अपने ये धीरे धीरे खेती क्यारी करना छोड़ जाएंगे और खेती क्यारी करना छोड़ जाएंगे तो आगे क्या होगा वो तो हम जाने या भगवान जाने।
Titu had a debt of over 4 lakh to repay to the bank and private lenders, which he couldn't pay off after a bad harvest year.
कहाँ जाओगे माता जी?
हुकुम मांगेंगे खाएंगे बेटी और क्या करेंगे? हमारे पुत्र तो कागरों का को ढक्कन बतो बेटी हम छोड़ के पास ही
He expected 40 quintals of wheat as produced but got only 4. In despair, he hung himself to death.
जैसे एक बाप होता है ना, और बाप का जो फर्ज होता है उस सब कुछ वो मेरे साथ निभा रहे थे, सब कुछ। हमारे पिताजी जब ही एक्सपायर हो गए थे, जब ही से उन्होंने मुझे अपने बाप का सा प्यार दिया है, अब तक दिया था।
Titu took care of all in the family after his father died and his younger brother was injured in a major accident. Adding to the despair, 4 young children, 2 his and 2 his brothers, have been left without a breadwinner. His wife, barely in her 20s, is too distraught to speak. 80% of the population in Bharatpur is dependent on agriculture.
Bharatpur and Ganganagar at one time were called the granaries of Rajasthan. Government if it had woken up 2 months ago when this happened, they could have made a complete realistic assessment of what happened and given compensation like the last government.
Not a single MLA for the ruling party in Rajasthan has visited. Farmers here are struck between huge crop loss, for which they will get no price, and bigger debt running into thousands and lakhs.
हमारी मांग है मैडम कि हमारा मतलब किसान का क्रेडिट कार्ड माफ होना चाहिए, कोऑपरेटिव का लोन माफ होना चाहिए और मतलब लाइट की और पानी की टोटल व्यवस्था होनी चाहिए।
ये तो कोई मुआवजा ही नहीं है, ये बहकाने वाली बात है। 6,990 रुपए रखे हैं, ये कोई मुआवजा नहीं है।
It's time for our politicians to wake up to the real tragedy that is unfolding in rural India, where so many hundreds of farmers are committing suicide in so many different states. And these people here who are left behind are forced into a life of poverty. This is not just a statistic, but real lives being lost and real families being forced into despair and poverty.
With Bhairavi Singh in Bharatpur, Suprita Das, NDTV.